am Bree Settle. Out of high school, I did not know where I wanted to end up professionally, and then a position within a local company opened the door towards a passion that was hiding within me. Graduating with my associate's degree was always a goal. I started my journey almost 10 years ago, around the same time I began working in the field with graphics and design. I love art, design, colors, and anything that is unique to a person or situation. I am a hands-on learner, so I began as a fine arts major. Quickly I realized that what I wanted to create would be done on the computer, so I changed my course. I have the most experience in Adobe Illustrator with vector art, but the list of programs that I have trained with is quite long. Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, Dreamweaver, Lightroom, and Premiere Pro, which is what I'm using to create this portfolio. Autodesk, Revit, Inventor, Fusion 360, AutoCAD, 3ds Max, Mudbox, and Sketchbook. I have experience in photography as well as hands-on in the field of apparel and promotional products. By diving into this field, I have found my talents in computer graphic technology. I am accomplishing my goal of graduating with a degree. I am focused and ready to begin my professional career, hopefully with a company that values design and originality.